You got it, Dr. Zucchini.
It's the loafus.
That's what I said.
All right, now here's a center where we can study the food sources and eating habits of the animals in our care. Now this fish is packed in nutrients and it gives them all the water they need today. So
Large creature.
something like that. Excellent. You can do it one more time. One more time, right? Good boy. Excellent. Now, as a lady been here long enough, I think it's time to test your fit knowledge. Ooh, how tall do you think sea lions are? That's huge! Would you believe that sea lions are up to 9 feet length? Their bodies are packed with muscles that help them hunt.
Oh, I can smell it
Okay, well, glad to show you that it's a very social animal. They all have their own personalities, their own likes, and their own dislikes. You know what? I think you're right. Now, he is showing you that he's very motivated by interacting with us, and they even take part in their own health care. Now, Clyde and I are going to go check on the center. Why don't you tell everybody what's next?
You got it, Dr.
I'll show you how we can jump. Okay, buddy. Now, along with their pectoral muscles, they also move them up and down like a bird to fly through the water. And I think Tina wants to show you just how fast you can swim. Ready? Show how fast you can swim. Excellent, guys. Give her a round of applause. Seymour, why don't you go back there? Seymour, go back that way.
It's my first day on the job and I have no clue what I'm doing. So, wait a second. I got a great idea. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the interactive part of your tour. Now, I'm going to need the help of another volunteer. That's right. Wait. It's not anyone. I only need someone that's super tall. That's right. Super tall and so very smart. I mean, she is. Okay, I got a great idea. All right, I know what we can do. I want you to follow my each and every move. All right, now hold on. But there's a very important thing. You need to make sure you stay very, and I mean very, close behind. Now take a photo of this.
I want to know what you're doing out here.
All right, look, Dr. Zimbabwe, I've got a confession to make. Your plan, it's gone.
What do you mean it's gone? Why didn't you say something? I could have done something. I could have sent out an APB and all of that bulletin. All right, while I think of what to do, why don't you two come up with a plan?